Sharing course materials in Carmen. The Carmen platform was built to be a place to share and organize course materials with students. When you need to engage with your students at a distance, your Carmen course is the first place students will check for files, assignments, and other materials. With some uploading and quick organization, you can give your students easy access to course materials. Create modules. Students will access most content from the Modules tab. Once in the Modules menu, you can create new modules, which are containers for course materials and activities. Many instructors use a module per week or a module per unit. Upload files. Once you have a module created, click the plus button to add an item. In the Add Item menu, choose File from the drop-down. Click New File, and then choose the file you want to upload. You can also upload many files at a time by going directly to the Files menu in your course. You'll then have access to these files in the Add Item menu in your modules. We don't recommend giving students access directly to the Files menu. Directing students to the modules will allow them to find the materials you intend to share. Add other content types. Using the Add Item menu, you can also add assignments, quizzes, pages, discussions, and use text headers for organization. Organize and publish content. You can now organize your materials into modules for your students, and anything you can do to label things and order them will be helpful for students and eliminate questions. Be sure to publish the module and the content within it so your students can access it.